Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play Guitar Hero with Wii Remote Easy Guide. Sync your Wii remote to the console before launching Guitar Hero and confirm a stable connection. Start with fresh batteries or a charged pack to prevent input lag and accidental disconnects. Use the wrist strap to protect your remote and clear space around you to avoid hitting anything during enthusiastic strumming and air moves. In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero with Wii Remote Easy Guide. Hold the Wii remote vertically to mimic a guitar neck and improve fretting comfort, while using the D-pad for cleaner menu navigation. Practice timed strums using song previews or a metronome to develop reliable rhythm and hit rates. Small wrist movements and relaxed grip help reduce fatigue and keep your strumming consistent across longer play sessions. In this video, I will review how to play Guitar Hero with Wii Remote Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading during game breaks, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits into a gaming bag. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to play Guitar Hero with Wii Remote Easy Guide. Learn to strum just before notes when your setup shows slight latency, and use star power on long streaks to multiply scores. Regularly check and adjust calibration in the game settings if notes feel early or late. Take short warm-ups and focus on relaxation so you can maintain accuracy and enjoy longer sessions without strain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.